Hey guys, Sparrows here, and I do not know what's happening because there are like heaps of people on white pandas jumping on the ice. I do not know what's going on. So, yeah, apparently you need to wear white teeth and you need to be completely white, except your eyes. Where's my teeth? That here. This is so weird. I really don't know what's happening. And there's some people, other animals just jumping. This is mine. My eyes are like so swag. So anyway, thanks for watching this short and really weird video, guys. Sparrows here, and bye.